Welcome to Garnet and Gold Grub, presented by Tico Peoples Gas. I'm Chef Mike Smith, and with us today, we're lucky enough to have the voice of the Florida State Seminoles, Mr. Gene Deckerhoff. Gene, how you doing?
I'm doing great. It's football season, and I can't wait to taste some of your legendary tailgating chili. You know, that's one of my favorite items on the menu, and I can't wait to see you make it, and I can't wait to eat it.
Well, we're going to do both today, Gene. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to turn the heat up to like a medium high, and we're going to add about 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to the pot.
Yellow onions.
Chopped yellow onions, yep.
As a professional chef, why do you like to use natural gas?
Well, Gene, the reason I like natural gas is because, perfect example, this chili today, we're going to start off on really high heat. We're going to go to medium, they're going to go real low. And natural gas allows you to do all that, and it's the only way really to do it and to do it right and to get the best results. We're going to use some Angus beef. Then we're going to add a pork sausage. Just crumble it up as we go. Just keep it moving at this point because I'm still on that high heat. So we're going to use a little bit of flour. Let's stir that up and kind of let that incorporate with the meat.
Here comes a critical ingredient.
It is a critical ingredient. We're going to use our beer. We're going to pour it in there. So basically the beer is going to help deglaze this pan. You can smell it. It smells amazing.
Oh yeah.
Then we're going to go in with the tomatoes. And it's probably about 6 cups or so. And I'm going to give it a really good stir to incorporate everything together. I'm going to go with the black beans next. Now we're still on high. I'm going to try to get it to where it's going to simmer, and then we'll put in our spices. We're using about 2 tablespoons or so chili powder. We're going to use some cumin, and we're going to use some cayenne pepper. I'm going to let it go for about 15 minutes or so, just on this simmer. Okay, so here we have our finished product, our legendary tailgate chili. Gene watched me make all of it. He helped me with it, so now he's going to give it a try and let you know what he thinks.
Chef Mike, if it tastes as good as it smelled while we were cooking this legendary tailgate chili, I can't wait. Here we go. Okay, it's a first down.
Fingers crossed.
All right, second down. That's a touchdown, FSU.
For more information about this and other recipes, as well as Peoples Gas energy conservation rebates, visit peoplesgas.com/cooking.